Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this video about Aptos and the APT coin. And I don't know where to start because Aptos has been massively bullish. I mean, yesterday I made a quick update on it yesterday in the afternoon I believe, and my price target was 17.5. We did not react to 17.5. I think I did the analysis right here. So I said something along the lines like, all right, I think we're going to get to 17.5, which was technically the truth. And then if we can take a break retest off of 16.5, we'll get up to our next price target, which is right here between 19.5 and $20. And that's where we are at right now. Strong level. I mean, it almost seems that Aptos right now is so bullish, and we'll talk about why it's bullish a little bit later, don't worry. And my takes on that, but it seems that we're so bullish that we're not even reacting to the smaller psychological levels anymore. But that we're just reacting to the stronger ones, like around $15. And I know we did not touch $15, but usually when you've got a psychological level on the chart, you have to kind of draw around it. So for example, $20 would be between 19.5 and 20.5, which is the level we already touched. So you could argue that we're kind of in the same situation as right here. We touched the lower bound of the bigger key area around a strong psychological level. But we're just not really reacting to these levels that much anymore. So it's it's not worrying, but it's something to take into account. Right now, the big thing is we want to break above $20. All right, and we're going to be talking about whether that's realistic and just what to think about. First of all, I want to start with a warning. Right now, in my opinion, even though Aptos, the blockchain, is doing fairly well, you can see that the daily active addresses have increased massively. Daily transactions have been going up ever since, a little bit before the new year. Total value locked is at an all-time high right here, at around 60, or maybe it's not an all-time high to be honest. Yeah, it is an all-time high. We're at an all-time high in total value locked right here. I mean, Aptos really right now is above its fair value. If it keeps increasing, FTX might actually become solvent again. Since they still hold and they invested in Aptos. But it's absolutely crazy, and when cryptos go crazy like this, usually when it starts falling hard. So please, if you trade Aptos, be careful. Volume right now at 2.8 billion is absolutely crazy. A lot still coming from Korean volume sources, which I usually don't like a lot. That increases the risk too. Just historically, that's been the case. But yeah, I mean, for now we're still very bullish, and the thing is that we're probably going to reach a little bit higher into this level right here, between 19.5 and 20.5. The thing we want to do is we want to break above at least 19.5. I think the moment we break above 19.5, we'll take the break retest and get up to, well, I'm going to say my first price target is $23, just above the $22.50 level. So yes, I'm still sticking with the psychological levels, even though they have not been respected that much. But I do think it has some merit at the very least. I mean, historically, if we take a look at resistance levels, you can see $6 right here. And then we go on to kind of $8. All right, I'm back. So sorry, I had to sneeze a little. What I was trying to say is that Aptos does not have any clear psychological levels. It respects. It seems a little manipulated in my opinion, therefore as well. But still, that doesn't mean that we cannot continue to go up. For now, I mean, the main thing is we want to break above $20. I think that's going to be a little bit tougher. I think we're going to find resistance from there and drop down towards this level between 16.5 and 17.5. And I think we're going to hold it, at least initially. And then if we can actually hold this level for 3 days, then I also think that we can break above $20 and get towards the $22.5 and $23 level. And then I'll make another update. I'll probably make updates in between as well. But for now, it's really, I think $20 is a strong enough resistance level to actually, well, at least hold us back for a little bit. But if we can hold the levels we just broke above for a period of time, that still means that there's a lot of momentum and strength in Aptos, and which would also result in another bullish breakout, I think. But the thing I'm scared of, and what you should be scared of as well, is that if we find resistance from $20, excuse me, I'm just going to drag this down. Like what I expect, if we find resistance from $20, we'll find support between 17.5 and 16.5. But if that breaks, we're in some trouble, because then we'll take a break retest and we'll start falling. And the first real support level, I think that's going to be able to hold us a little bit longer, is this level right here between 14.5 and I would argue 13.5, which is a pretty big drop from where we are right now. And that could just start a long squeeze, and that could result in quite some losses. So please be careful. As long as we're above 16.5, we're still very, very bullish. But if that breaks, we're in some trouble. So that's my take on Aptos for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.